Hello friends, welcome back with me. Okay, let me introduce someone. Okay friend, he is Roy. Okay Roy. Oh, okay Roy. What are you doing here Roy? Oh, dinosaur. Roy, show us dinosaur toys. Oh, look at that friends. Oh, there is dinosaur toys. Okay, the first one, Roy, show us dinosaur toys. Oh, amazing. The color of dinosaur is blue. His name is Roy. Okay, Roy, what else on the green basket? Oh, Tasmania doll.
Na druhou stranu bych možná měl zapojit své znalosti z metafyzické.
Look at that. There is Tasmania doll. Oh, this is a doll. Cute doll. Look at that. Okay, good job, Roy. Oh, look at that. Roy is so happy. Someone who wear Spiderman mask is Roy. Okay, Roy, what else, Roy? Oh, excavator. Look at that. Roy, show us excavator. Oh, nice, Roy. Oh, whose excavator is that? Oh, amazing. The color of excavator is orange. Okay, Roy. Good job. What else, Roy? Okay. Go. Roy. Oh, Roy, show us lion picture. Oh, the king of the zoo. Lion. Oh, look at that. The big cat or lion. This is lion, the king of the zoo. Alright, Roy. Oh, there is giraffe picture. This is giraffe. Oh, look at that. And there is butterfly. Oh, beautiful. This is butterfly. Okay, Roy. Thank you, Roy. Good job, Roy.